Understanding Gum Restoration, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to discuss the phrase, gum restoration. This term is often used in dental care and health discussions. Let's dive in and understand what it really means. Gum restoration refers to various dental procedures aimed at treating gum disease and repairing the damage it causes. It's important to understand that our gums play a crucial role in our overall dental health, supporting our teeth and protecting the roots. When we talk about gum restoration, we're essentially discussing ways to bring back healthy gum tissue that might have been lost due to disease or injury. The need for gum restoration arises when there is gum disease or receding gums. This condition can lead to several problems, including sensitivity, pain, and even tooth loss. The main goal of gum restoration is to prevent further damage and restore the health of the gums. This is crucial for maintaining good oral hygiene and overall dental health. Several procedures fall under the umbrella of gum restoration. Some of these include 1. Gum grafting. This involves taking tissue from one part of the mouth and attaching it to the area where the gum has receded. 2. Flap surgery, a procedure where the gums are lifted back and tartar is removed from deeper pockets. 3. Bone grafting. This is done when the bone supporting the teeth is destroyed by gum disease. Each of these procedures aims to restore gum health and prevent further damage to teeth and gums. It's important to emphasize that healthy gums are essential for a healthy mouth. Gum diseases can lead to serious health issues, including heart disease and diabetes. Regular dental checkups, good oral hygiene, and understanding treatments like gum restoration are key to maintaining good gum health. I hope this video has helped clarify what gum restoration is and why it's so important. Remember, taking care of your gums is just as important as taking care of your teeth. Stay healthy, and see you in our next English learning session.